and today I'm going to visit at Kidzania. It's one like you can say, like it's our own world that kids can enjoy and play there. So you have to be till the video gets over, and this will be a very interesting video and very joyful. So please subscribe me and give me thumbs up. I am at the way and I'm walking. So friends, there is Kidzania. And let's go more near, and we will go even inside. Let's go more. We finally reach our destination. So here's Kidzania. That's pilot area. But first we will go out and we'll take entry, then we go to other gates. So fine, I am inside Kidzania. Here are many interesting things. So I'm sitting for this game because I want to show this also. It is Marina FM 90.4. Yeah. So here we say here we give news, and even they give this bracelet, because in some games if we go, so first they will scan our bracelet even. So this is even important. I think someone is going to come so far. Pilot simulator like this. How easy.
Number one أنت ولا أنا؟ One. This.
So friends, now I'll go to biscuit factory. Of course, you know this is Kuwait milk. Sorry, milks, bakeries. Yeah, Kuwait flour milks and bakeries. So I'll mix one biscuit, but I have the brown passport. It means honorable. First we get red passport. That means citizen only. And orange disgusting. a citizen, and the brown one is honorable citizen. That means VIP. So I have this one. In red one we have to collect 30 stamps. It means 30 games. Even in orange the same 30 stamps, but in this 60 stamps. In this 60 stamps. So if I show them this one passport, they'll give me one stamp, and everyone gets only one biscuit. But I'll get 2 biscuits because I have honorable. Most of people I didn't see they have honorable. Maybe me only the one? How can I know? Fine. They said me to wait 10 minutes. Some children are inside still working there.
Huh? Okay, make your door here or make this wrong. Use the chocolate board. Yeah. Okay, what is this?
Roller.
Did you see this one in the kitchen?
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. We make roti.
Okay. Okay, now you have to make it round like a roti, okay? But you have to make it a little bit thin. For roti, we make it thin, right?
Yeah.
For here, you have to make it a little bit thick. Okay. Done?
What is this?
It's different. You can just show it in the camera here. Mine is like this.
And mine is like this.
Okay, good job. Now what you will do, you can remove your gloves, put it inside the dustbin. Okay, now you will go near the computer and you have to do the test here, okay?
Okay.
You can just click in the English.
So friends, finally I made my biscuit. And now I'll eat it. It's thick. We can't choose that. They will give their own. First last time they gave me 2, now they gave 1. So friends, now I will go to Debenhams and buy one Hot Wheels car. Small bike, yeah, you can send it. But it's 250 Kidzos. So I will take out from the bank. ATM machine. So fine, now I'll put my card inside. Draw other 250. Oh no, not that 0. Fine, they're not allowing me to take. So I have idea. Now look what I will do. 100. Yeah, they'll give me 100, then I'll take again 150. Good. Fine. Exit. So now I will go to Debenham. So I bought one Hot Wheels small bike. Now I'm going to National Store to buy a small bag. I can't carry many things. So friends, I'm at bank. So friends, I'm at bank. I'm depositing some of my money. They gave me a seat here. Even better. Sofa. Oh, I forgot to say subscribe, okay? eat my dinner also. Let's go.